Hello, my name is swissbianco. Today I would like to show you the brand new Victorinox catalog 2011. I just got this. It's coming out in March, but we got it a bit earlier. So let's start with the first pages. If you want to see the pages a bit longer, then just stop the video. Of course, this one is in German. And this time they even put it in English too on the left side of the book. On the right side it's in German. The A-Log Swiss Army knives is most interesting for many of us. So you see the soldier Swiss Army knife is gone. We only have now the Victorinox scale, Victorinox logo on the scales. The 110mm solo is still being made. The wood scaled ones are still in production too, together with the stag and the horn. By the wood scaled one we will have a surprise pretty soon. Spare parts. The garden tools are still made too, with black plastic scales, also in wood. Those models are less common in USA. Also the fixed blade. And of course in Swiss red, the same gardening tools, plus the economy line, the 84 and the 91mm. The Swiss tool. Nice touch on the sheets with the Swiss logo. The new Swiss Army knife Iswood sheet is now in the catalog too. That item will be soon in the newsletter. I can't remember if I ever saw a black Victorinox pin. The red I remember, but the black one looks new to me. Together with the ballpoint pens and the Maglite. Now we come to the kitchen knives. They are pretty popular in Switzerland, especially the colder handle ones. My mom used those for years and she hardly refused to use any other brand than this Victorinox with the black plastic grips. So we have always a good number of those in stock, just for her. Nice touch even with the sheath. If you have a fillet knife, you have the sheath. We have some special purpose blades, also with a plastic handle. Turniermesser, Maroni-Messer, Zitronen-Dekormesser. That's a special purpose knives. The complete sets. Again, if you wanna have a closer look, just stop the video. The catalog is pretty long, pretty big. That's why I hurry up a bit. Here we have some interesting fixed blades. That one is interesting too. Those tools I used as a blacksmith. That is special purpose knives for work with horses and horseshoes. New blister packs. The brand new ceramic line, ceramic blades with the ceramic sharpener. That's relative rare that they make a sharpener for the general public, that they can resharpen the ceramic knife. Some more special purpose tools. The forged kitchen knives. New resharpeners. Cut resistant gloves for butchers. Scissors is a big field. Even nice scissors that looks like a bird. Rubis is a brand that is well known in Switzerland for highest quality. And Opinel, Felco, Victorinox distributes in Switzerland some models. Felco is a very good quality Swiss made, if I remember right, for pliers, cutting pliers. We use that in the Swiss military too. Some hats and posters and books. That pretty much is it.